In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create page templates in OneNote. Page templates are a powerful feature that allows you to standardize the layout and design of your notes, making it faster and easier to maintain consistency across your notebooks. Whether you're taking class notes, managing a project, or planning your day, templates can save you time and keep your content organized. To begin, open OneNote and navigate to the notebook and section where you want to create a template. Start by designing a page layout that fits your needs. This could include headings, subheadings, tables, checklists, or even placeholders for images and text. Customize fonts, colors, and spacing to match your preferred style. The goal is to create a structure that you'll want to reuse regularly. So take a moment to set up all the elements you'll need on every page. Once your page is set up, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and look for the Page Templates option. Click it to open the template pane on the right-hand side. From here, you can browse existing templates, but for creating your own, look for the Save Current Page as a template option at the bottom of the pane. Click this, and you'll be prompted to give your template a name. Choose a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates for different purposes. After naming your template, you can also decide whether you want it to be the default template for new pages in this section. Setting it as the default means that every time you create a new page in that section, it will automatically use your template layout. This is particularly useful for recurring notes, such as meeting minutes, class notes, or project updates. Once your template is saved, it will appear in the template pane under My Templates, ready to be applied to any new page. To use the template, simply open the template pane, select your saved template, and it will be applied to Huftuung, ensuring your template evolves with your needs. This flexibility allows you to refine your workflow over time without starting from scratch. By building and customizing templates in OneNote, you create a consistent and efficient framework for your notes. Templates help you focus on content rather than formatting, keep your notebooks organized, and make repetitive tasks quicker and easier to manage. With just a few minutes of setup, you can save hours of effort in the long run and keep all your notes professional and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.